meet the HCCNs of Holy Cross Convent English High School, Amravati. Under the program of Viksit Bharat, initiated by our Prime Minister Sir Narendra Modi, has started a project for Samriddha Bharat, and name of our project is Advanced GPS Tracking.
In today's world, ensuring the safety and real-time location tracking of individuals, vehicles and valuable assets is a growing concern. Existing GPS tracking system often depends solely on internet connectivity and are not always portable or reliable in the areas with poor signal coverage. Moreover, many tracking devices lack an emergency alert feature that can instantly communicate location details to multiple contacts during critical situations, especially when cloud connectivity is unavailable.
There is therefore a need for a portable, low-cost GPS tracking system that can continuously monitor location data and can upload it to a cloud dashboard for real-time tracking. Function reliably in both online and offline conditions by buffering unsafe data. Send emergency SMS alerts containing live GPS coordinates to predefined contacts when triggered manually.
Operate on battery power for true portability, efficient power management and easy charging. This project addresses these challenges by developing a portable GPS tracker with cloud monitoring and emergency SMS alerts. By using an ESP32 microcontroller, GPS module and GSM module.
The portable GPS tracker prototype demonstrates strong potential for future development into a reliable, commercial-grade smart traffic system with enhancements in hardware, software and connectivity. The project can evolve into a versatile tracking and safety solution.
Continued development, this portable GPS tracker can evolve from a basic prototype into a comprehensive smart energy-efficient tracking solution. By integrating advanced communication technologies, cloud-based analytics, and individual sensing, the project holds strong potential in sectors like transportation, logistics, and personal safety. This is a PCB board, a prototype for GPS tracking. It contains several key components like microcontroller, SIM module, GSM module, batteries, etc. This is an ESP32 microcontroller, which is the brain of the whole model. It gives command to all parts of the model. Its key features are that it processes the whole model, it connects the parts with each other. It also has 520K IB flash memory, and it also operates specifications. This is a GPS module with a satellite-based navigation component. It provides accurate position and time information. It also receives location, latitude and longitude. It communicates with microcontroller ESP32 and gives real-time location data. Just a part in front above GPS module is GPS antenna.
This is the same. It is a small chip inserted in the GSM module that allows it to connect to any mobile network. It stores network information, identifies the user on the mobile network, enables calling, texting and data services. Without a SIM card, the GSM module cannot connect to any mobile network.
This is an ESP32 microcontroller, which is the brain of the whole model. It gives command to all parts of the model. Its key features are that it processes the whole model, it connects the parts with each other. It also has 520K IB flash memory, and it also operates specifications.
Press this emergency button. It gives a message to our parents or guardians notifying our location in the case of emergency. It's a location which can be seen on a personal website even if the device holder is offline.